the hood chef JPoo / and we in the Cutz.
Man, I walk through here. I love coming through this store, man. They got a little bit of everything. I'm telling you, sweets. I love these crackers. Yummy. Taiwan cabbage, regular cabbage. I'm gonna try something different today. This fish right here, handling something. Yeah. Let's cook it up. Chicken. Butterfly. Butterfly. Yeah. Fish gang. Chicken gang. It's the hood chef JPoo / From the Fort, City of Trees. Let's get a bite of Sacramento. Right in my own kitchen, man. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't only doing the food review. I'm reviewing the hood chef JPoo. What you got? Ooh, look, he sauced up. Ooh, he good. Look at that.